I've eaten so much. That's because there's so much delicious street food in Bangkok. And they tend to cluster in little areas as well, like Convent Road, for example. And as you walk by one stall after another, surely, slowly, your will gives up. And I end up eating more and more. And the street stores you've just seen are like pop-up restaurants. Each evening they're unpacked. Later on that night they're packed again into huge metal boxes. I saw a whole convoy of these metal boxes going along the street and causing all sorts of traffic chaos. And on Convent Road for lunch, I had some noodles. They were rice noodles, but they were pungent with prawn paste and utterly delicious. And it all came to 35 baht, which is about $1.30 Australian. And here you can see my bowl of noodles, delicious Thai noodles being made and served. Another form of street food is the fruit stand that are mobile and that move around the city. Here you can order pineapple, pawpaw, watermelon and other tropical fruit. You can see it being chopped up here and served fresh. These mobile street stores also sell savoury things, like all sorts of meat, sausages. You can even get whole fish, or even offal, as you can see.